1. The hamburger originated in Germany, not the United States. The name comes from the city of Hamburg, where minced beef dishes were popular. German immigrants brought the concept to the U.S. in the 19th century. 2. The first modern hamburger was served at the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair. Although ground meat existed earlier, the idea of placing it between two buns and serving it as a sandwich gained popularity at this event. 3. McDonald's did not invent the hamburger. McDonald's made hamburgers globally famous through fast food innovation, but the hamburger existed decades before the first McDonald's opened. 4. One hamburger patty can contain meat from hundreds of cows. Commercial ground beef often mixes meat from many different animals, making traceability difficult and raising concerns about food safety. 5. The world's most expensive hamburger costs over $5,000. Luxury restaurants have created gourmet burgers using ingredients like Wagyu beef, truffles, foie gras, and even edible gold. 6. The fat and salt in hamburgers trigger the brain's reward system. The combination of fat, salt, and protein stimulates dopamine release, making hamburgers psychologically satisfying and even addictive. 7. Over 50 billion hamburgers are eaten worldwide every year. In the U.S. alone, the average person eats about 3 hamburgers per week, contributing to an enormous global consumption rate.